championship, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing first
the champion.
6'9", 309 pounds from Tampa, Florida. How about a big round of applause for Dangerous Dan Spivey? Dangerous Dan Spivey.
Oh no!
Look at her run. Oh, now at the ring, Herb Abrams.
Hmm.
Dan Spivey. This has been...
In Shito-Ryu and Goju-Ryu Karate and Jiu-Jitsu Kai. He has twice won the Canadian World Heavyweight Jiu-Jitsu
The challenger
Championship.
being introduced.
Three-time Canadian Heavyweight Karate Champion, 6'2", 230-pound Harold Howard.
Look at this. The challenger pounds Spivey where it doesn't hit him. And bam!
There it is. Right on the temple.
Down goes Spivey and new champion, baby.
John McCarthy.